Why is that on the floor? Did I step on a berry? I don't remember stepping on one. Anyways, my point is, I don't think I'm gonna get a second one. I really wanted to. And then the breeder, she has like a couple extra ones that they flew in. So I could actually go like look at them in person. I can go play. It's a little tight in the crotch. I can go play with them. I could go look at them. But I'm just, you know, it's like a maybe, no maybe. Needs a brother or sister. There's plenty of stuff to play with. Doesn't need anyone. So you don't know what he needs. How do you know? Do you understand like cat language? How do you know? I know, I'm just thinking about having to clean twice the amount of shit, having to clean twice the amount of butts, twice the amount of butt hair to trim, and I'm like, I don't know about that. Like, for me, one is plenty. So, me getting a second one would be for him, and I'm not even sure he needs that, so. Really, really good. I found my favorite new sauce. Hey, hi, Chad. So, how was your Christmas? Thank you for the resub, Brother Jella. Win Baby 36. Happy holidays to you too. Hey, buddy. I didn't really respond to anything yet. Oh, there you are. Can you go sit in the chair? Chair? Go sit in the chair. Lynx? Chair. 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 I guess you can kind of see him. There you go. Good boy. I think he just went for the toy, but it worked. Any other trips planned? I wanted just to chill at home, but frankly, the other day I saw this beautiful hotel room which is overlooking waterfalls, Niagara waterfalls in Canada, literally on top of it. I know a lot of it is like marketing and just great shot, and it's probably not as amazing, but I am considering. It's a cucumber. Say cucumber. You wouldn't want that, but I let him smell stuff, all kinds of stuff. Not even edible. Whatever I'm holding, I think it's just interesting for him. It's like the way that they see, don't they? Their smell is really well developed, so. Yes? You want more? You want a cucumber? I told you wouldn't want it. I can't wait for him to get out of his teenage years He's gonna be more chill. He's gonna be bigger, less annoying. Look at his ears. When they go backwards, you know shit is coming down. You know when they do the little... I don't know how to describe it. It's like eagle ears. Eagles don't have ears, but you know what I mean? Like, it's like a wing of an eagle. Yeah. There's gonna show what he wants. You can't go on a counter. I ate at the keg at Niagara Falls before. The lights are nice at night. Well, imagine being on the very top of a hotel room and just kind of waking up to a view, just seeing all the falls. That part, I thought, oh my gosh, the sauce is leaking. Oh, I certainly got all the sauce down. It leaked on the counter. Should get more of it. Should get different ones. They had balsamics and all kinds of stuff. I just didn't know it was that good, frankly. I don't know, usually when you get sauce, it's kind of yeah, in my opinion. And in America, they're all filled with all kinds of chemicals and weird fucking shit that will upset your stomach. Which one surprised me? It's in Canada, it's in Ontario. I don't know, Chad. It's tempting, but part of me just doesn't want to do anything. I recently came from my other trip, so I do at least a month in between my travels, so I just want to chill at home. I'm really, really, really enjoying being at home. I don't know about you guys, but I realized once you get a place that is you, and you choose everything to your liking in that place, you really don't want to leave. There's very little you want to do outside of the house. I know you want me to because it's entertaining for you, but for me, and generally for systems that crave homeostasis, this is it. This is the dream. This is happiness. I thought this was a cat ball. He wishes. Actually, he doesn't. He can't care less for Tiffany's, Louis, whatever the fuck that is. He just wants to be on counters. Have you ever kicked a guy in the balls? Ooh. No, not on purpose. Maybe. Not on purpose. Hey, buddy. You can't go on the counter. This looks very green. I also remember I don't like eating veggies on stream because they require a lot of chewing, but then it's gonna be me sitting in silence because I don't like to chew and talk. Actually, fuck you guys, I'm just gonna chew. Hmm? Mm. Mm-hmm. Cat hair on my cabbage. Me not like it. You literally said you got that $1,200 bowl for a cat. No, maybe I joked about it. He doesn't fucking care about that. Why would I give him something not expensive that he doesn't care for? I don't know. Does girls like to kick guys in the balls? That's a fucking weird question. Are you one of these femdom soy boys? Go to mirrorsjuice.com to find what you're looking for there. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Why are you guys so far? Come here. Don't be shy. Mm. What's more expensive, the seed or the bowl? That's a good question. Ah! Oh my god, I almost dripped that on the seat. Which, by the way, I did get the seat dirty. Both of them. And I couldn't figure out how. And then I figured out. It took me a while. You'll never guess. Guess how I got the seat dirty? It wasn't with food. There's a little piece of kale that got in there. I made a mess. Farted. How do you... What? No. How do you... What? What? How do you... What? How does farting get anything dirty? I don't understand. It's just air. I don't know about you guys' farts, but mine are very clean. But honestly, you're not too far from the truth. Is she using the shitter again? I can hear him like scratch it. You accidentally shed yourself. No. Dude, I don't... Okay, it has nothing to do with shit. Okay? Why is... That's all that goes through your head. It's so weird. Why are you all like shit? Like, do you guys shit yourself often? So it seems. Oh, he's scratching his nails. Okay. I'll look to the camera. It has nothing to do with shit. There's no shit involved. What? You guys are kind of weird like that, huh? A little kinky. Period. No. Wait, you really can't guess? Oh, I realized it's gonna be hard for you, yeah, because well, if I tell you why, then you'll be able to guess why it's hard for you to guess. Bon appetito, bish. Garden, no. Should I just tell you? It's hard for you to guess because you're not a female. And you don't think about it. Like, if a question was asked from a male's perspective about males, I was trying to think about the situation as a male. But what majority of people, including you guys, do, you think about it as a male. You're not like, you're forgetting that I'm a female, and you're like, oh, so what would I do, right? Like, I would fart and just fucking get shit that, you know, like, don't think about what you would do. Think about what I would do. That's how you guess. Or I guess, you can do a lot in life. You start thinking about other people's perspective, not just yours. It was a snail trail, but it was a very subtle one. So, not really a trail. I mean, obviously there's just charge every once in a while. So I saw that there was like a little bit, tiny little stain. There's no color, no smell, or nothing. And then I took a wet wipe and I tried cleaning it. And that just made it worse. Way worse. And the same one with that one. And I was so sure, like, because I never really pay attention. Even when I do, because I don't wear underwear. But it's so clear and clean and it has no smell that I never see it on my clothes, and then I just throw it in a dishwasher, in a washing machine, and it cleans it. But with these chairs, because they're so light and it's impossible to clean them, that was a huge mistake that I've done, sitting on them without underwear. Because it has no color, but there's still left like tiny little, you know, strings. And me trying to wash them off with those like disinfect cloth made it so much worse. It just spread it, and I think the cloth itself like left a bigger mark. It's so weird. Like, basically I did ruin them. But at least it's not like a red stain and just like little. Oh well, I marked my territory. What? You can't go on a counter. He's like, why not? You can go. He really wants to go on a counter. Why is that ew? You guys are just stupid. I'm sure most of you will fucking drag your balls on broken glass just to take a sniff of my snail trail, so shut the fuck up. What? What? I'm gonna do this to him back, so he understands how annoying it is. Are you done? Are you done? They got him to shut up. That's nice. It's like having saliva. Ew, you have saliva? Ew. Suck a dick. Hers was like bleach. Ew. It really depends on your lifestyle and your diet. So much of it, your diet. Because it will reflect, obviously, with all of the bodily fluids. Ew. But you know what I noticed? girls that eat a bunch of sugar and just have like unbalanced diet in terms of what is it? No, I can't think of gluten. Gluten. Oh my gosh. My head. We need to take a potion. Those mushrooms better help. What? What? That got you to shut up, huh? I'm watching you. Oh, baby, I didn't mean to. Oh, scared now because I yelled at him. It's okay, baby. It's okay. Don't be scared. It's okay. What do you want? You want food? Come here. Fine, don't eat the steak. Here's your shit dry food. Here, enjoy it. Enjoy. I'll take the steak. Here's your mouse. Chill, okay? Chill. All right. Try to use hydrogen peroxide as a steam cleaner. How would you hydrogen peroxide it? I feel like hydrogen peroxide is pretty intense, so it'll just make it worse. Like you would pour it on top of the seed. I do have the steamer, that's easy, but well, I think I'm done with the snackies. I got my fiber and minerals for the day. Oh yeah, look at that. All the greens between my teeth. Oh my gosh, there's like a whole leaf. That's a lot. What do you use for LM? What does LM stand for in your book? The book of Twitch chat. All right, let me clean quick. I love this bowl. Should I get more of these bowls? Because they have it in yellow, red, blue. Green is honestly the best one, but I feel like I've seen the blue one in person when I went to Vancouver, and it just doesn't have as much play with color because it's kind of a dark-ish, blue-ish. Red, I don't like red generally speaking, so I'm kind of meh about anything red. And yellow seem kind of cool. I am considering the yellow. Oh, there's a lemon here. I forgot about this lemon. Should probably use this lemon. Kind of starting to get a little bit stale. I forgot about this lemon. Yeah, I want to go to the bathroom real quick. Light microscope. Oh, the light. Actually, the other day I was messing with it. I couldn't figure out why it's not working. And then do you see the cord? I realized I forgot to plug the cord in. That was so stupid. So it actually works just fine, but I still don't know how to get the digital one attached so y'all can see what I see there. Because if I were just to put the camera in, I don't think it would be as visible, but... Bathroom break. Back to back. Oh my god, there's another cat. There's another cat. What if... Blackie, that's the my neighbor's cat. So, but he, oh, what if he sees him? Wait, come here, come here, come here, come here. No, don't be scared. Come here, come here. Let's go look. Let's go look at the cat. I would love for them to meet each other. There's this big black cat. I think he already left. Did he leave? Fuck. He was just passing by here. Oh, that would be so fun. I want them to meet each other. I really, really want them to meet each other. We were actually talking about it. Do you remember Birdie, the kind old lady that brought me a Christmas present the other day? That's her cat. Let me see if did it go anywhere here? No, I don't see. Honestly, they're very sneaky, so I wouldn't be surprised. Oh, hi, baby. There you are. Did you see the cat? But I still love you more. I just love all cats, but you're my cat. I love you. I can guarantee you guys he will just act like a scared little shit. He's so beta, which I kind of like because it's easier to live with beta, but it's, you know, as a cat, I want him to be beta, but obviously if he was a man, I don't think I would prefer the same, but наступающий манге. Так рано еще. I was enjoying vegetable cabbage soup whole week, and yes, my stomach is feeling happy. I know, right? I think it's just important to balance things out, to do all the veggie things, and you know, you can still have snackies, you can still have chips and candy. That's what I do. I just balance it out. So, damn. I saw him with the side of my eyes, just like a chunky black cat with a little, it's almost like a chopped tail. I don't know if it was chopped on purpose or, don't look at my snail trail now. This one is just like a little, maybe it's not a snail trail. I don't, on this one I know it is. And I just made it worse with things, but I do have peroxide actually. We could try. Should we try peroxide stuff? I don't know why he's meowing. Do you guys know why he's meowing? Not too sure. Anyways, I'm gonna take my daily vitaminos. I'm cold for some reason. I'm not sure why. Did I close the window here? I did. He made a mess out of his food for some reason. You know what? I'm gonna turn the temperature up. It is on 69, which is like the highest I ever have it usually. Weird. Okay, let's put it at 70. That's me stretching. We're getting ready to work out soon. I feel like if this was more attached, it would be better. It'd be tighter, at least around my waist. Who cares? Because I feel like you guys don't even notice what I'm wearing. Who cares? I want something with coconut. Do I have anything with coconut? Yeah. This one's a stubborn one. You know, I really want to go grab the peroxide and try it out. I just don't know how to approach it. Was it Wesley who suggested peroxide? What do? Do you just put it like on a cotton bowl and run it through? I don't know what to do with the peroxide. I'm not experienced. Wait, why do I even have peroxide? Oh, a dentist in Moscow told me that that's a good way to get your teeth to clean, but without like irritating them too much. You just combine it with water and you rinse your mouth for a little bit. That's a lot of pills. It's not a lot of pills. It's like half of what I had. I'm kind of running low on them, and I'm not replenishing them as much because I want to take a little break from consuming. Hey, baby. Hi. You're very vocal. You're becoming really loud. Yeah? Hi, baby. Hey. He's just chatting. You will stay in the chair. Peroxide is like a bleach. Then why did he suggest that? That's weird. I was so close to trying it. That's why I'm like, maybe I shouldn't touch it at all. Maybe I shouldn't mess with it at all. Because I don't particularly know what I'm doing. Yeah? What? Maybe he thinks I'm talking to him and he's responded. Maybe he doesn't understand that I'm streaming. He's like thinking that I'm talking and he's chatting back to me, but I don't understand what he's saying, and I'm assuming that he's asking for something. Usually they meow when they want something, right? Do you want something? I think he's good. I think he's chilling. The cat wants attention from his master. I don't think he does. Because otherwise he would be like next to my legs and he kind of does that, he rubs himself against me. He's just staring at the ceiling. Sometimes I'm really curious what goes through his little tiny mind. But then I understand he's just a cat, so there's probably just Timberwood. Nothing. Existing. He's just in his sensory mode. Derp. That's what I think. Because that would make sense with everything that he does. I still love him. I'm keeping him. Don't worry, chat, I'm not giving this one away. But I also don't think I want a second one. One is quite a lot to take care of. If there was a guarantee that if I can get a second one, they will like do stuff together more so and that will save me time from taking care of them. Yeah, but there's no guarantee and I can't just like take a second one and then give it back type of thing, so or maybe I can. I've gotten I've gotten decently good friends term with the breeders, so maybe she'll let me do it. Maybe she'll let me have a second one and just kind of see how it goes. And I don't know. If not, it's kind of nice to be able to give it back. It's like renting a cat. Oh, ты мой сладкий. Ты мой хороший мальчик. На, понюхай. What does it smell like? Hmm? What does it smell like? What does it smell like? Yeah? Here, let me clean your ears. Мой сладкий. He smells so good. Well, obviously his shit smells like shit, but other than that, he smells so divine. And I don't do anything to him. I don't do nothing. All he does is consumes that cat food that just smells like salty, fishy, old meat. He consumes that with his tongue, and then he cleans himself with that tongue occasionally, and he somehow smells like the most wonderful, divine, freshest laundry ever. Like, I don't understand. I don't understand. How? This is magic. This is wizardry. Are you a wizard? Are you? Here, wait, you got something more on your, come here. Come here. You got something on your eyes. There you go, there you go. Good boy, good boy. Just cleaning your little eyes, okay? Since you don't want to clean it yourself, you fluffer. I don't know how he does that. I am kind of jealous. I could use a wash. There he goes again. He's gonna clean himself with that tuna smelling tongue, and he's gonna smell like heaven. That's what he smells like. Little heaven. I don't know how he does that. Do you fuck for money? I don't fuck at all. I wish. I actually wish I could do that. I wish. Sometimes I really wish I could be a hoe, but I can't. I can only do it for love, and I haven't found that one yet. So I don't fuck. Sorry. But I do have mirrorsjuice.com. The link's in conveniently pinned in the corner for everyone extra thirsty. I recommend you go and direct your attention to mirrorsjuice.com. Why not? I can't. It's gross to me. It doesn't feel right. It doesn't feel authentic. What do you mean, why not? Why don't you eat shit? Answer that one. The reasoning is pretty much the same. What? Actually, chat, why don't you eat shit? Why don't you eat shit? Now, this is an actual question. Like, imagine there was a pile of shit. Why would you not eat that? I want you to answer that, like, thoughtfully. OnlyFans feels right? Yes, it does, because I only do whatever I want to do there. I don't do things that other people want me to do for money. I only do what I genuinely want to do. And that's how I'm able to work it and have my pride and dignity and live a happy life. I think everyone should do that. I think the issue with majority of other girls is that they feel like they must do it. They feel so dependent on that as their money source that they're pushing themselves to do things that they don't want to do. And in the end, they feel like shit about themselves. And that is just not my case whatsoever. For me, OF is just a piece of cake. Because I do whatever the fuck I want to do. Pretty much the same as I do in life as well. Yeah. So that's the key, chat, to happiness in life. Just do whatever you and your little heart desires. That's it. By the way, I uploaded a really cool Q&A thing to my OnlyFans. I realized there's a bunch of questions that accumulated. People asking me like sexual things, and obviously I don't talk about that on Twitch because Twitch is not the platform for it, but on OnlyFans it's perfectly fine. So I did a bunch of videos. I thought it was just gonna be one, but then I kept recording more and more and more and just going in depth about all these questions that you guys had. And apparently I always would skip on Twitch. So I recorded like hours of me just chatting about all kinds of questions that have sexual connotation in them. So, and I enjoy that because it's like a story. It's like a cute, sexy story time. But all of it is my other links. D. What's with the 4 questions? I don't get that. I had a friend who did prawn for a couple of years through Brazers, and she got out and said it was one of the most miserable things she had ever done. So I think you're right. Yeah, like almost every other girl that I know that, not every girl that has OF does sexual stuff, by the way. I know OF is considered a sex platform, like sex workers, but not everyone. But almost every girl that does do sexual stuff there, somehow unhappy. And I'm like, yo, why are you guys pushing yourself so much? I don't understand. Like, I only do things I'm comfortable with. Like, there's so many things I was offered money for, and I just, if I don't feel like it, nope, 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 nope. And it feels really good to say no. Really good, because you keep your pride, you keep your dignity, you keep your sense of like, this is private, this is personal, this is something I'm only gonna share with the person that I actually